I'm going to show you how you can recover your Roblox account without email and without password. So this will be a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your account back very soon. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, guys, is you need to go to Google. Okay, step number one, go to Google, search for Roblox, click on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to scroll down and you need to click over here on About Us. Okay, like this. You will be directly in this page over here. I'm gonna show you step number 2 that you need to do. Okay, so this will be really easy and simple quick tutorial for you guys, so you will get your account back. Okay, so you will be directly in this page. Scroll down, so just keep scrolling down like this and go and click over here. So let me show you. Okay, so just scroll down. You should see over here contact. Okay, click on contact like this, and you will be directly in this page. And I'm gonna show you the step number 3 that you need to do. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. So you will be directly in this page. As you can see, what you need to do next is you need to scroll down again and choose technical issue. Okay, click on this option over here like this, and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down and you should see over here Roblox support. Okay, click on this option over here like this. You will be directly in this page over here. Scroll down, so just scroll down, click over here on I forgot my password. Okay, click on this option like this. You will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, if you can't remember your password, okay, you need to scroll down because you don't have any email or any password. So just scroll down like this, and you should see over here still having trouble. What you will be directly in this page number 5, as you can see. So what you need to do now is you need to send a request to a Roblox support customer. They will help you get your account back without any email and without password. What you need to do is you need to put your first name, your username, your first name, your email address, username, and confirm me. Put your email address again here. Scroll down, click over here on device and choose which device are you using. So for me, for example, I'm gonna choose Mac. Scroll down, click over here, type of help category, click over here on account hacked or can't login. Okay, like this. Click on the next step, choose forgot password. Okay, scroll down and describe your issue. So you need just to describe your issue. So tell them that you can't get your account, you can't log in with, and you can't log in using your email address or your password. So just describe your issue, click over here on submit, and they will help you to get your account back very fast. Make sure to send just one request, because if you keep sending, you just need to wait. They will take a while to get back to you because they are receiving a lot of requests every day. So if you send another request, this will slow down your process and it will take more time. So just send one request and just wait. They will get back to you very soon and they will help you to get your account back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.